everyone, and welcome back to the channel Diamond Paints with me, your host Mike, and we have got another unboxing from the lovely folks over at Amazon. Yes, we have got the, I don't know if this is the Halloween one or whether it's the other one, because I have actually got two. This one will be on the Friday, so we just have to hope and pray that this is the Halloween one. As I said, I don't know what's in there. Now, what I've decided to do is, because Amazon have this thing about packing them all into one box, I decided to order this first, let it dispatch, and then order the next one. That way we can, you know, get open and get it into an unboxing rather than you see what it is before I unbox it, if that makes sense. And this was $3.99. Both of them were $3.99 actually. So I've got a feeling this isn't the Halloween one, but we'll have to just hope and pray. So yeah, which one have we got in here? Please be the Halloween one. Is it the Halloween one? Damn, it's not the Halloween one. Never mind. And it's not a sun. I won't let the sun go down on me. You know, Nick Kershaw. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so Friday will be your Halloween one then. Okay, so this was $3.99, and I have got myself this, which is really, really fabulous. And this was one that I didn't actually plan on buying. You know, when you add it to the wish list and then it goes, hey, here's one you might like. And then I thought, do you know what, $3.99, great. I think they're coming down a lot more in price now as well. One of my other YouTubers that I watch, she likes to pay under $3.99, under $5 as well. But yeah, to get them at $3.99 is fantastic. So what do we have in here? Well, are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! It is, I believe, a basketball. And it looks like it's been smashed into what looks to be some sort of volcano, maybe. It's a 30x30. We've got a lovely colour section here. Don't be fooled and think that it's all one colour, because I have just noticed here, if you look, it's K and 2. So this is going to be a lot of swapping and changing colours. It will try and capture out a bit there. We might have to multi-place it, but yeah, I thought, oh lovely, that's going to be colour blocking, and just noticed a sneaky little 2 there. So, I mean, bits like here, you can colour block easy, because it's got lots of the, as you can see, there's lots of K there, so we'll just have to wait and see what it can do. But $3.99, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and I'm getting quite fond of this 30x30 size. It's quite a lovely size, and we've got the colours 1 to 20 there, with the number, the symbol and the colour. But yeah, for $3.99, I think that's absolutely beautiful. What drew me to this painting was this lovely fiery bit around here. As I said, I do an awful lot of animal paintings, and I would like to steer a bit away from doing animal paintings and bring in other bits and things for a change. But yeah, I should imagine that this is going to be really bright once we get all this black and stuff around it. I think it's really going to pop. And then we've got a little bit of the, I think that's blue maybe. Like a bluey green, but really, really nice. So that's that one. And then let's take a look at our jewels. We've got our standard boat. These are very, what's the word I'm looking for? Basically, they're, you never know whether you're going to get bags or squashes or tweezers with these. So you just have to hope and pray there are some bags in there. I mean, I don't use these. These all get put in the bin, apart from the bags, which one of my YouTubers likes having. So I do send them over to Diamond Paints with TM. In here, oh, I'm getting the tiger vibe here. In here, we've got our, by the way, if you've never diamond painted before, this is an extremely addictive hobby. So you'll find you're always bloody spending. But in here, we've got 20 colours. Let's go through the colours that we've got here. So yeah, classic 310, I should imagine. 2 is, yeah, 310s. 310s is our normal colour that crops up near enough every painting. Got some dark blues there, some oranges, some grey. Oh, that's nice, because we don't often get to use grey, which is quite nice. I think the last one I did was with the bunny rabbit, which I'm still working on. Oh yes, funky baby, funky. Look at that, so vibrant. Reminds you of that Sunny D drink, you know. Bit of banana colour there, some oranges, some, what is that, red? Maybe red or purple there. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I can imagine these being like that. By the way, I was kitting up my rooster the other day, and it was so weird. I don't know if you guys will notice it on the video, but you will see that when I opened up the drills, it really confused me, and I thought I had to return it, because up here it would say number 1, and then it had 27 next to it, and then number 3. It seemed like 27 and number 2 was swapped. So yeah, it seems like the 27, and then I looked further down here and 27 was stuck down here somewhere, so they must have put it in the wrong place there. But that's a really lovely painting. Can't wait to get into that. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really, really excited about that. But yeah, as I said, if you want to get this, as I said, Amazon prices do fluctuate, so obviously you have to grab it while you can, but I paid $3.99 for this. Quite often I am seeing more and more of these 30x30s using the J symbol, so a lot of these will normally come up with the J letter there, but I can't wait to get into this. It's really gorgeous. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, do all the wonderful YouTubey things, become a ding dong. And yeah, if you want to get this, the link's in the description of the video. Please remember to, you know, check out everyone else's channels, share, you know, and share all the crafty things that we all do. And yeah, take care guys, and we'll see you on Friday for the Halloween one. Yay! Take care, bye.